One exciting piece of technology we have in the office is called Previsor Dental Software. And Previsor is risk analysis software. Basically what we do is after we examine a patient, we put that clinical data into the software program, and then we take measurements from the patient's x-rays and we put that information to the software program as well. That information then is stripped of all identifying patient data, and it's sent off over the internet to a supercomputer that analyzes the data using a certain algorithm and sends us back a report within seconds. That report gives us two numbers. The first number is the patient's risk of tooth loss from 1 to 5. We know that if a patient is risk 5, they're 10 times more likely to lose their teeth than if they're a risk 2. The other part of the software assigns a numerical score to the patient's disease, and that score is from 1 to 100. Typically, when patients come in with advanced disease, their score can be 90, 95, or 100, and after we treat them, that disease score is significantly lower, usually in the 20s. Every time a patient is in our office to have their teeth cleaned, we re-input their current data into Previsor and get a new Previsor score, because Previsor has been shown to be more accurate and more sensitive to subtle changes than even the most astute clinician. So every time a patient is in, we look at their Previsor score, and if the score goes up, we look to see why it went up and address it right away. And by keeping a close eye on patients using Previsor, it allows us to treat people accurately without over-treating or under-treating them. It gives the patient an objective assessment of their current disease state and their risk of tooth loss, and it helps us navigate the choppy waters sometimes of managing a patient's periodontal disease so that they can get the best result possible. I urge you to call my office to schedule an appointment for a consultation. We can discuss how implants can help you achieve your oral health goals so you can smile better, feel better, and enjoy life more.